Good evening and welcome to the Financial Week. I'm Andrew Laidley. Now we begin with currency trading. The Jamaican dollar has clawed back about a month of depreciation. Since the start of the week, the dollar has strengthened by about 2%. At the end of trading, the US dollar was going for $136.99. The Canadian dollar sold for $101.65. The pound closed the day at $178.01, and the euro is selling for $150.22. COVID-19 panic has sent global stock markets crashing. Wall Street analysts are reporting that the stock market is experiencing its worst week since the 2008 global financial crisis. They say COVID-19 has wiped out about $5 trillion of world stocks in terms of value, and Jamaica isn't insulated from the effects.
A number of big investment banks, including those at Goldman Sachs, JP Morgan, and Citigroup and others, have now economist teams and analyst teams who have taken down their forecasts for growth in the economy, not just here in the U.S., but around the world. And what that translates into is fewer corporate profits.
I mean, we're looking at the possibility of having a negative GDP near term, not sometime in 2020. And in China, maybe a flat, like a zero.
But not every stock is declining. Companies that deal with sanitation like Clorox are seeing their values shoot up to all-time highs. Stay-at-home stocks like Netflix and Amazon are also advancing, while others like Uber are declining as more people are encouraged to stay home. Over on the Jamaica Stock Exchange, the impact of COVID-19 has been tempered by the fact that the virus has not yet reached our shores. But earlier this week, Director General of the Planning Institute of Jamaica, Dr. Wayne Henry, warned Jamaicans to brace for the impact in various areas of the economy.
Given the significant economic ties between Jamaica and China, the possible impact of COVID-19 on Jamaica's economic performance would include: 1, weakened external demand due to a slowing in the Chinese economy and the associated downturn in global trade, and 2, weakened domestic demand associated with a possible slowing in new investment from China and the expected impact on output and employment levels, as well as the indirect impact on business and consumer confidence locally.
In light of that, some private sector companies are already on alert.
A number of companies have started looking at how their staff can work remotely, from home, etc. So in the event that something were to happen or they feel ill, they can just isolate themselves at home. So a number of people have been buying laptops, the staff to go home, work remotely, putting systems in place, which is not a bad thing. I mean, from a productivity standpoint, that's what we should be doing.
So far, major corporations have decided to cancel all non-essential travel, and many have resorted to video conferences instead. Major global conferences have also been postponed, and flights in and out of COVID-19 affected areas have been scaled down. Prime Minister Andrew Holness says the government will be going ahead with plans to sell its stake in the Jamaica Public Service, JPS. At the Energy and Climate Partnership on Thursday, Mr. Holness listed the great interest in the Trans-Jamaican Highway IPO is an indicator of the confidence in the economy.
Its shares in the Jamaica Public Service Company Limited. And I know many Jamaicans are anxiously awaiting this investment opportunity. And when it comes, I'm certain that it is going to be significantly oversubscribed.
The JC index lost 1,727 points today, and the junior market index is down by 10 points. Among the winners were Cygnus Credit Investments, US dollar shares, Access Financial Services, General Accident, Dolphin Cove, and Everything Fresh. Now on the losing side were Iron Rock Insurance, First Rock, iCreate, Lasco Distributors, and T-Tech. And that's the Financial Week. I'm Andrew Laidley. Good evening.